In this question, each expression has power of 4. Instead of expanding this, let's try a different approach where we'll take average of both the bases. This makes x as y plus 3. Let's put this value in this question. In the first step, take y plus 2 square and here y minus 2 square. Now look at these both expressions carefully. Both have y square plus 4 common and one term is plus 4y and minus 4y. A very important property we can apply here where a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is twice of a square plus b square. So we'll get twice of y square plus 4 square plus 4y square. You can cancel 2 and 136. Now expand y square plus 4 whole square. So write this 26y square minus 2y square. So y square is 2 and y square is minus 26. This will make y as plus minus root 2 and here y become plus minus square root 26 iota, where iota is square root minus 1. If you are asked only real roots, take only this value. If all the roots are asked, you can take all the 4 values. Next, calculate for x, that is y plus 3. So x will become 3 plus minus square root 2 and 3 plus minus square root 26 iota. These are the 4 solutions of this equation. That's all for today. I'll meet you in the next session.